For the last few months, I have been acquiring Buck 110 knives to add to my collection. I have, it's not that varied a selection, but for me, it's kind of points out some critical changes or aspects of the Buck knife offerings. The Buck 110 Classic Hunter, brass bolsters and I think it was ebony wood. It may be micarta scales, but the classic design and look of the knife, the way it locks, sounds, the feel, it has a very utilitarian feel to it, extremely useful through a wide variety of applications, and not that expensive considered inflation and everything over the years. Everybody used to talk about getting these for $30 to $40. They're $64.99. I think they might have gone up to $69.99, but I'm pretty sure I bought this from Amazon for $64.99 and then about $70 free shipping. I bought my next 110 classic style nickel silver bolstered butt in drop point. I got this just this week. It has, once again, perhaps ebony scales with or micarta, but it's a superb knife, much more expensive at $84.99 from the Buck website, but I purchased it along with a American-made Bantam knife they sell, which got the price included with no shipping, over $99 from Buck, no shipping. So those are my two Buck knives, 110s that I feel back each other up in the classic style. There's no frills really other than the ones the nickel silver bolstered. This is the Buck 110 Slim Select. It has a pocket clip added to it and the thumb studs from the factory to open it. It's really windy to open with your thumb, and I don't really feel comfortable carrying this in my pocket. It's big, but it's a wonderful knife. There's nothing wrong with it in terms of application. It's just as a pocket carry, it's pretty big. And I have the 112 Slim Select, 112 Ranger Slim Select, that is every bit a pocket carry knife. Nice size blade in comparison to the 110. It's a much smaller knife, smaller blade, but it works the pocket easier, as the 110 Slim Select Hunter it's a real guy's knife. But I'll be having this for the collection. I'll be pretty much, I don't believe I'll use these. These are my collectible versions of knives. I'd like to think I'm going to go out and bang this up, but probably not. This is already getting banged up, and I removed the pocket clip to make it even easier to pocket carry the 112. It's a true pocket knife. But, so, there it is for my Buck collection. The 110 Hunter clip point, the 110 Hunter nickel silver bolstered drop point, and the 110 Hunter Slim Select bargain knife. All from Buck. Thank you. I have 3 everyday carry budget knives that I'm adding to this video for the beginning of November. There's a SAK Victorinox waiter model, an Odenwolf mini Scandi fixed blade, and a Buck Bantam lock back folding knife. I don't know. This particular model of Victorinox waiter is very utilitarian but small. It's a true pocket. I've got that half stop for the bottle opener and then a full stop. I've already opened a couple bottles of wine with it. Like the blade, good and sharp. It's got the Victorinox stamping on it along with Official Suisse. It's Swiss. I love these knives. They're very practical, very useful. And then there's the Odenwolf Mini Scandi. Scandi being the blade grind. I've already used this a bit. I like it. I can't really get behind the function of that 2-inch blade, big fat 2-inch blade. It's not much of a fingernail cleaner, and I guess it's a wood knife or what they call. It'd be a neck carry knife. Being out doing something, they're quite popular, but I still have to come across my feelings about carrying this knife. It does fit the pocket. There's nothing wrong with how it fits. It's a little awkward. You have to remember to use your thumb to release from the sheath or scabbard, or you got to be tugging it to get it to deploy. The Buck Bantam is an American-made, one-hand opening pocket knife. I hope you can see that. It's USA made. It has some flimsy characteristics to the bolsters or to the sides of the knife. I believe that's FRN, fiberglass reinforced nylon, pinned together in 3 places with the hinge pin. Fairly sharp blade. That satin patina, whatever it is on the blade. They call it 248. Maybe that's the 284. Maybe that's the blade number. I don't know what the steel. I think they use 420. Maybe. I don't know. I have to research that. The point of this whole video, though, from the beginning, has been for November, on November 30th, I'm going to offer this knife up in a drawing for this free knife that I'm going to have the drawing on November 30th. And to enter the drawing, say Buck Bantam Promotion. To enter the drawing for this knife, for this free knife, if you win the drawing, to do the entry, say Buck Bantam Promotion. Buck Bantam Promotion. I'll put it down in the comments, and I'll put you down as entered if you say that, and you will be eligible for the drawing on November 30th. So thank you, and remember the Buck Bantam Promotion on November 30th. Thank you.